We have here a new question, a new important question. تعرف عربي؟ تعرف عربي؟
تعرف Arabic? Are you
Not are
تعرف
you. تعرف is your first verb in the Arabic language. It's like no. Do you know Arabic?
Oh,
تعرف عربي؟
تعرف
And
Arabic?
what if we just say a little?
Very good. Very good. If you say a little, you say شوية.
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 شوية. أيوة. شوية.
You know Arabic? تعرف Arabic?
Mhm.
شوية.
You can use this verb also with any other thing that you want to know, like تعرف محمد. تعرف محمد. You know Muhammad.
Oh,
Okay.
تعرف
تعرف الهرم. تعرف الهرم.
الهرم.
أيوة.
Do you know the pyramid?
Oh.
الهرم pyramid.
تعرف الهرم. You know the pyramid.
Huh.
تعرف whatever you like.
Yeah.
تعرف
تعرف
Turkey,
Iowa Turkey?
Iowa turkey.
أيوة. قهوة.
Ahwa.
Iowa.
Ahwa.
Iowa.
تعرف قهوة تركي. كويس.
Seattle, Washington.
Yes, you can say something like that to your Egyptian friend. تعرف Seattle?
Oh,
You know
do you know
Seattle?
Seattle?
Are you familiar with that?
Right. تعرف
تعرف Seattle?
Yeah.
تعرف
Okay,
Yeah.
it's like that. تعرف. This is your first Arabic verb. تعرف.